Have you ever heard of a ጸናጽል? This, in my opinion, is one of the most fascinating instruments used in the Orthodox Tewahedo Church. Just like the bagena, it is full of symbolism. It can be made in copper, silver, or other metals, similar to a sistrum that was used in the ancient Egypt. Two sides represent the human and divine nature of Christ, and also the New and Old Testament, and the cross on top represent Jesus. The three round pieces represent the Trinity. The two wires in the middle represent the ladders used by the angel in Jacob's dream to ascend and descend. And that's why the priests do this movement, symbolizing the ascension of the angels to heaven and the descent to earth. The leaves in the middle can be 5 or 7. 5 to symbolize the secret pillars, and 7 to symbolize 7 heavens. The wires in the middle are also said to symbolize the two lives of Jesus. One divine, being born from God only, without a mother, so just with a father, and the second one coming to earth, being born only by a mother, without a father. And the movement, again up and down, can symbolize Jesus going from Jerusalem to Galilee and from Galilee to Jerusalem. Pointy sides are said to represent the spears that pierced Jesus' side on the cross. And if the ጸናጽል has a wooden handle, it represents the cross. But if it has a metal one, the whole shape of the instrument represents the hammer that was used to nail Jesus on the cross. Who knew a little instrument could hide so many symbols?
Culture is cool.